Are you looking for a healthier alternative to sugar? Have you heard of erythritol? This low-calorie sweetener has gained popularity in recent years, but what exactly is it? And is it a good option for you? In this video, we'll dive into the world of erythritol and explore its benefits and potential drawbacks. Erythritol is a low-calorie sugar substitute that has been gaining popularity in recent years as a healthier alternative to traditional sugar. It's a type of sugar alcohol that is naturally occurring in some fruits and fermented foods, but it can also be made through a process of fermentation using corn or wheat. In this video, we'll explore the benefits and potential drawbacks of erythritol and how it compares to other sweeteners. What is erythritol? Erythritol is a type of sugar alcohol that is classified as a polyol. It's chemically similar to other sugar alcohols such as xylitol, sorbitol, and maltitol. However, erythritol has some unique properties that set it apart from other sugar alcohols. One of the key properties of erythritol is that it has a very low glycemic index. This means that it doesn't raise blood sugar levels the way that regular sugar does. In fact, erythritol has a glycemic index of 0, which makes it a great option for people who are trying to control their blood sugar levels. Another benefit of erythritol is that it has a very low calorie content. It contains only 0.2 calories per gram, which is about 95% less calories than regular sugar. This makes it a popular sweetener among people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Erythritol is also non-carcinogenic, which means that it doesn't contribute to tooth decay. This makes it a great option for people who are looking for a sweetener that won't harm their dental health. Potential drawbacks of erythritol. While erythritol has many benefits, there are also some potential drawbacks that should be considered. One of the main issues with erythritol is that it can cause gastrointestinal symptoms in some people. This is because erythritol is not completely absorbed in the small intestine, which can lead to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Another potential issue with erythritol is that it may not be as sweet as regular sugar. This means that you may need to use more erythritol to achieve the same level of sweetness as regular sugar. However, this can be an advantage for people who are looking to reduce their overall sugar intake. Finally, it's worth noting that erythritol is not a completely natural sweetener. While it can be found naturally in some foods, most of the erythritol on the market is made through a process of fermentation using corn or wheat. This may be a concern for people who are looking for a completely natural sweetener. Comparing erythritol to other sweeteners. When compared to other sweeteners, erythritol has some unique properties that make it a popular choice. As mentioned earlier, it has a very low glycemic index and a low calorie content, which makes it a great option for people who are looking to control their blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy weight. In comparison to other sugar alcohols, erythritol is less likely to cause digestive issues. Xylitol, for example, can cause digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea in some people. However, erythritol is not as sweet as xylitol, so you may need to use more of it to achieve the same level of sweetness. When compared to artificial sweeteners such as aspartame, saccharin, and sucralose, erythritol is a more natural option. It's also less likely to cause side effects such as headaches, dizziness, and digestive issues. In conclusion, erythritol is a low-calorie sugar substitute that has many benefits and some potential drawbacks. It's a great option for people who are looking to control their blood sugar levels maintain a healthy weight, and protect their dental health. However, it can cause digestive issues in some people, and it may not be as sweet as regular sugar. If you're considering using erythritol as a sugar substitute, it's important to keep in mind that it's not a completely natural sweetener, and it may not be as sweet as you're used to. However, it's a great option for people who are looking for a healthier alternative to regular sugar and other sweeteners. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.